cookie butter cookies, okay?
Cookie butter cookies.
Cookie butter, CBC.
Cookie butter.
You ready for this?
I'm ready to be.
Alex, are you ready to make some cookies with me?
I am ready. I love cookies.
It's hard work you're gonna be doing over there. You gotta whisk. Okay,
All right,
go
let
gadget
me,
whisk
Let me get in the
arm.
headspace.
Just 1 egg. There's some vanilla extract and some salt. Whisk it all together in the bowl. I've got a stick of butter in my stand mixer here. Just gonna hit it. This is the creaming part, right?
Yeah.
You wanna get the actual cookie butter in. Now, if you don't know what cookie butter is, AKA speculoos, it's going to remind you of a gingerbread cookie with lots of sweet cinnamon and warm spice, notes to it. Funny story, I bought some cookie butter cookies one time from a company, and I don't know, for some reason at the time, I couldn't have them delivered to my house. So I had them delivered to my friend's house. She likes them too, and I said, yeah, you can have a box. I literally didn't get any of them. She ate them all. Some brown sugar, some granulated sugar, okay? I'm gonna bring that down and mix it up. Well, the goal here is to really get the cream going. Do you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of grains going on with the granulated sugar, the brown sugar. So we just want everything to be nice and smooth. It's gonna get a little bit lighter in color because the air is getting whipped into it. And so instead of being that deep brown color the speculoos was, it's gonna get this nice light color. And then I will put it back in there.
So important, scraping the sides while you're creaming, too.
It really, really is. Bring it all together.
And Sunny, I noticed that stick of butter was very room temperature.
Super room
Also,
temperature.
so-
All right, so to this, we're gonna add that egg. Thank you. The vanilla extract. That little pinch of salt. Remember to turn down your mixer to as low as possible. Add the flour in, okay?
Oh.
Now that's gonna blend up. When that blends up, you're gonna get it into a plastic bag, plastic wrap, put it into the refrigerator, and then you're gonna bring it out and roll it up. But look, I've already got it rolled up right here. Just like this. Thank you, Alex.
I love cookies.
You're gonna roll it out just like, sugar cookies. And then get your actual cookie forms.
Oh, you got a little jersey?
Little jersey right here. Then we've got a football, and everyone loves that. We're number one.
Yeah.
We're number one. So that finger, you can get these at the party store, at the grocery store, in the baking aisle. I've got the oven set to 350 degrees. It's only gonna take 10 to 12 minutes for these to bake. Get them in there.
Smells so good. You
I
can
love
smell that.
cookies.
The
I gotta
cookie
tell
and
ya.
the cookie.
Nothing like a cookie and some beer before the game, And then here you have them. So they come out of the oven. You want to let them cool down, obviously, on a little bit of a wire rack.
Oui.
And then you just get some royal icing. You can buy it or make it, and then just start decorating so they actually look like what they should. I'll do this upside down. Just come around here.
Laces out.
Laces
This is
up.
something that kids would be into doing, too.
They really would.
Oh, wow, look at that artistry.
Have a little fun with it, and a little football right there. Here we go.
Oh, gorgeous.
Wow, you
We
were
have
fast.
more time, yeah. And here you go, guys.
Oh, pass them on down.
So
There
nice.
you go.
Oh,
I
passed out?
want a football.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of the cookie and the cookie.
I love
Great having that
cookies.
taste of the cookie butter come through. It's like a slight hint of spice. And the cookie itself is so nice and chewy.